Can't find the perfect Christmas gift for her? Check out 25 heartfelt DIY gifts that are creative, handmade, and guaranteed to impress. Number 1 is Jewelry Making Kit. Looking for a fun and creative DIY gift? Check out this jewelry making kit. It comes with beads, cords, clasps, and everything she needs to design her own unique necklaces, bracelets, and accessories. Perfect for beginners or anyone who loves hands-on crafts, she can mix colors, styles, and patterns to make personalized jewelry she'll actually wear. It's a thoughtful, fun, and memorable gift that lets her creativity shine. Grab it now and start crafting. Check the Amazon link in the description to order. Number 2 is DIY Epoxy Resin Kits. The perfect starter set for anyone who loves getting creative. This all-in-one kit comes with 16 ounces of premium epoxy resin, 4 reusable silicone molds, 12 real dried flowers, a 12-color glitter set, and all the tools you'll need like measuring cups, droppers, and gloves. The high-quality resin mixes easily with a simple 1:1 ratio for smooth, flawless results. She can make jewelry, coasters, keychains, or completely unique art pieces that sparkle with personality. Packaged beautifully, it's a fun, hands-on gift that's thoughtful, creative, and perfect for Christmas. Number 3 is Hand-Painted Mug Kit. A creative and heartfelt way to make something personal. This kit comes with blank ceramic mugs, a set of vibrant, high-quality paints, and brushes so she can design her own masterpiece. Whether it's festive holiday patterns, sweet messages, or fun doodles, she'll enjoy the process and end up with a functional keepsake she can use every day. Once baked, the design becomes permanent, making it dishwasher safe and long-lasting. Perfect for coffee or tea lovers, it's a gift that blends creativity, practicality, and a whole lot of love into her morning routine. Number 4 is Embroidery Kit for Beginners, a thoughtful and relaxing DIY gift she'll love. This all-in-one set includes 3 pre-printed floral fabrics, a 7.8-inch embroidery hoop, colorful threads, needles, and even step-by-step instructions with video tutorials. It's beginner-friendly, making it easy to learn stitches like backstitch and French knots. The finished pieces can be framed and displayed as handmade art, adding a personal and creative touch to any space. Packaged beautifully, it's a meaningful gift that combines creativity, relaxation, and charm, perfect for Christmas. Number 5 is DIY Candle Making Kit, a complete set that's both creative and cozy. This kit includes 1.5 pounds of natural soy wax, a wax melter, 15 stylish candle tins, 6 essential oils, 16 dyes, dried flowers, wicks, a thermometer, and all the tools you'll need to get started. It's beginner-friendly with clear step-by-step instructions, so she can create beautiful, fragrant candles without the guesswork. With 6 scents and colorful dyes, she can design candles that match her mood and style. A thoughtful gift that combines relaxation, creativity, and the warmth of homemade candles. Number 6 is Mandala Dotting Tools Kit, a complete bundle for rock painting and creative expression. Inside, you'll find 4 large smooth wooden rocks, 3 mandala stencils, 12 vibrant acrylic paints, dotting tools, brushes, and even a chalk pencil to sketch designs. Perfect for beginners or experienced artists, this kit makes it easy to transform plain rocks into dazzling mandala art. It's fun, relaxing, and boosts creativity while letting you proudly display your masterpiece. A thoughtful gift for adults, teens, or families to enjoy together, turning simple rocks into works of art. Number 7 is Lip Gloss Making Kit, the ultimate set for women who love beauty and creativity. This all-in-one kit includes a clear moisturizing lip gloss base, jojoba oil, 8 vibrant pigments, glitter powder, syringes, tubes, beakers, and stirring tools. Everything you need to design your own custom shades. Safe, natural, and beginner-friendly, it's a fun hands-on project that lets you mix colors, add sparkle, and create moisturizing glosses you'll actually use. A unique and thoughtful gift for birthdays, holidays, or just a creative night in. Number 8 is DIY Donut Soap Making Kit. Bring creativity to bath time with this kit. This all-in-one craft set includes a premium soap base, reusable donut mold, pastel colorants, fragrance oils, mixing tools, and step-by-step instructions. Safe and fun for kids 6+, teens, and adults, it's a mess-free project that lets you design colorful, sweet-scented donut soaps that look almost good enough to eat. Perfect for birthdays, holidays, or slumber parties, it even comes with 5 cute gift boxes, so you can share your handmade soaps with friends and family. Number 9 is DIY Scrapbook Kit, a complete vintage-inspired set for creating personalized memory books. The kit comes with decorative papers, stickers, embellishments, and all the tools she needs to create a personalized memory book. She can fill it with photos, notes, and mementos, turning each page into a meaningful keepsake. It's a heartfelt, hands-on project that sparks creativity, provides hours of fun, and results in a beautiful gift full of love and memories she'll cherish forever. Number 10 is DIY Terrarium Kit, a fun and creative way to bring greenery indoors. This kit includes a 34 fluid ounces glass terrarium, soil, pebbles, moss, activated charcoal, and gardening tools like a shovel, rake, bamboo spoon, and tweezers. She can build her own self-sustaining miniature garden using succulents, air plants, fittonia, or ferns, customizing the design to her style. Easy to follow instructions guide every step, making it perfect for beginners. A beautiful and interactive gift that adds life, style, and a touch of nature to any room. Number 11 is Crochet Kit for Beginners, a fun and easy way to dive into arts and crafts. This all-in-one kit includes pre-started yarn, a hook, needle, eyes, stuffing, and step-by-step tutorials to make adorable crochet animals like Pierre the penguin. Perfect for beginners, it's simpler than knitting or cross-stitch, offering a sense of accomplishment while creating handmade gifts. With easy-to-follow video instructions, anyone can learn to crochet and bring cute characters to life. A thoughtful, creative, and relaxing gift for women who love DIY projects. Number 12 is Stained Glass Mandala Art Kit, a relaxing and creative DIY project for all ages. This kit includes 10 blank window clings with unique designs, 8 vibrant markers, and a step-by-step guide to create stunning stained glass-style suncatchers. Perfect for beginners, it's stress-relieving, boosts focus, and improves motor skills. Once finished, these clings can be easily applied to any window or mirror, catching the sunlight beautifully. A fun, artistic, and thoughtful gift for women who love hands-on crafts. Number 13 is Organic Lip Balm Making Kit, a fun, all-in-one DIY set. It includes beeswax, shea butter, sweet almond oil, essential oils, tubes, jars, and all the tools needed to craft your own natural, moisturizing lip balms. Perfect for sleepovers, spa days, or personalized gifts, this kit lets you customize scents, colors, and textures. Safe, non-toxic, and beginner-friendly, it's a creative, hands-on activity that results in nourishing lip balms you can use, share, or gift. A thoughtful and fun present for anyone who loves DIY beauty. Number 14 is Deluxe Soap Making Kit, a complete all-in-one set for creating beautiful, handmade soaps at home. It includes melt and pour soap bases, fragrance oils, liquid dyes, dried flowers, silicone molds, a soap cutter box, stirring sticks, and an easy-to-follow instruction manual. Perfect for beginners or experienced crafters, this kit turns soap making into a relaxing, creative hobby. Ideal for family bonding, DIY fun, or even starting a small side business, it's a thoughtful, hands-on gift that anyone will love this holiday season. Number 15 is DIY Flower Press Kit, a perfect way to preserve nature and create beautiful keepsakes. This kit includes an 11 by 11 inch 10-layer wooden press, blotting papers, press plates, scissors, tweezers, a knife, and a portable tote bag. She can press flowers to make bookmarks, greeting cards, framed art, or other crafts. Made with sturdy, high-quality basswood, it ensures beautifully pressed flowers every time. A thoughtful, hands-on gift for anyone who loves nature, art, and creating lasting memories. Number 16 is Indoor Hydroponic Planter Grower, a compact indoor garden system perfect for year-round fresh herbs and vegetables. This kit includes 10 growing pods, a water reservoir with a level window, and an adjustable LED grow light with 2 modes for veggies or flowers and fruit. Simply add seeds, water, and nutrients, and watch your plants flourish. Easy to use, space-saving, and perfect for kitchen counters, it's a fun, educational, and practical DIY gift for women interested in gardening or growing their own food indoors. Number 17 is DIY Cuckoo Clock Making Kit. Looking for a thoughtful and creative DIY gift for her? The DIY Cuckoo Clock Making Kit is perfect. With 435 precision-cut wooden pieces, she can enjoy hours of mindful crafting while building a real working cuckoo clock. Once complete, it lights up with warm LEDs, features a swinging pendulum, and a charming bird that sings on the hour. It's more than just a project, it's a beautiful keepsake she'll be proud to display. a unique Christmas gift that combines relaxation, creativity, and home decor in one. Number 18 is DIY Wooden Coasters Kit. Give the gift of creativity with this DIY Wooden Coasters Kit. Featuring a timeless lotus design, it combines the beauty of cloisonné art with a relaxing hands-on craft. She'll enjoy shaping delicate wires, filling them with vibrant enamels, and creating stunning coasters that are both functional and artistic. This premium kit comes with everything needed: tools, enamels, and walnut coasters, making it a complete crafting experience. Perfect as a thoughtful gift for women who love art, DIY, or simply want a relaxing project that turns into beautiful home decor. Number 19 is Leather Crafting Kit. Surprise her with a creative gift she'll truly enjoy: the Leather Crafting Kit. Packed with premium vegetable tanned leather and professional tools, she can design earrings, keychains, wallets, or bracelets with ease. The kit includes step-by-step video tutorials, making it perfect even for beginners. From stamping and carving to dyeing and sewing, it's a hands-on hobby that's both fun and rewarding. Whether for a Christmas or just to spark her creativity, this kit turns crafting into beautiful, personalized leather accessories she'll be proud to make and use. Number 20 is DIY Knitting Kit. Looking for a cozy and creative gift? The DIY Knitting Kit has everything she needs: soft cotton yarns, smooth bamboo and metal needles, and beginner-friendly instructions. With step-by-step patterns, she can easily learn to knit scarves, hats, dishcloths, or cozy accessories. It's relaxing, rewarding, and perfect for winter. Whether she's a beginner or wants to explore a new hobby, this kit makes crafting fun and practical, with handmade creations she'll use every day. A thoughtful and heartfelt DIY gift idea for Christmas or simply to inspire creativity. Number 21 is Bonsai Tree Kit. Discover the joy of growing your own bonsai with this complete bonsai tree kit for beginners. It comes with everything you need to grow 5 unique Japanese bonsai trees, including seeds, tools, and planters. You'll get varieties like crepe myrtle, flame tree, blue jacaranda, and more, plus extra seeds to boost your success. Perfect as a relaxing indoor hobby, it makes a thoughtful gift for plant lovers, moms, or anyone who enjoys gardening. Whether she's a beginner or experienced, this bonsai kit is a creative way to bring nature indoors. Number 22 is Macrame Kits for Beginners. Unleash your creativity with this macrame kit for beginners. It includes 165 yards of soft cotton cord, wooden rings, beads, metal hoops, dowels, and everything you need to craft. With a step-by-step 60-page guide, you can make 7 beautiful projects, from wall hangings and dream catchers to plant hangers and keychains. Perfect for relaxation, home decor, or thoughtful handmade gifts, this macrame kit is the ultimate DIY craft for women, beginners, and anyone who loves boho-style art. Number 23 is Bracelet Making Kit. Create stunning, personalized jewelry with this bracelet making kit. With over 10,500 beads, including letter, charm, pearl, and clay beads, plus elastic strings and all the tools you need, you can craft bracelets, necklaces, earrings, and more. Perfect for friendship bracelets or unique gifts, this kit is fun for girls, teens, and adults alike, and comes with 3 storage boxes to keep your beads organized and ready for endless creative designs. Number 24 is DIY Ceramic Coaster Kit. Get creative with this DIY ceramic coaster kit. It includes 24 premium unglazed ceramic tiles, perfect for painting, alcohol ink, acrylics, or resin. Each tile comes with peel and stick cork pads for easy use and protection. Design your own stylish coasters to decorate your home or craft personalized gifts for friends and family. A fun, hands-on, and artistic activity that everyone will love and enjoy. Finally, number 25 is D3D Puzzle Flower Vase. This Christmas, surprise her with the D3D Puzzle Flower Vase. With 160 pieces and a built-in LED light, she can create a stunning 9.5-inch vase for real or artificial flowers. A relaxing, creative activity that doubles as a beautiful holiday decoration, perfect for her home or office. Give a unique, hands-on gift that she'll cherish, ideal for moms, wives, girlfriends, or friends who love crafting and festive cheer. Make this Christmas unforgettable with DIY gifts for her. Creative, personalized, and heartfelt, perfect for showing your love. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more festive ideas.